Hello and welcome to Heads Up. My name's Sean O'Shea and I'm the Schools Business Manager and Devices Lead for the Education team here at Microsoft. Today I'm going to be giving you a heads up on Windows 8, which is the new operating system from Microsoft, and it's built for touch. So you've probably seen already there's a lot of different adverts of a lot of different hardware choices available. But today I want to just go over one of the key things that you need to be aware of with Windows 8, and that is that there are two operating systems actually available. There's Windows RT and then there's Windows 8. So this matrix basically shows the similarities and then some differences between the two, but it's important to understand these when you're choosing your Windows device. So just to go over some of the similarities first. So you've got great built-in apps such as Mail and Calendar, Messaging, Photos and SkyDrive, and you've also got access to the Windows Store. And because you have multi-user profiles on these devices, if you have an RT and a Windows 8 device and you have an app from the Windows Store on one of those, you can easily access it on the other one. You've got Internet Explorer 10 on both, and you've got Windows Defender, Windows Firewall and Windows Update to keep you up to date and secure on both devices. You also have enhanced data protection using BitLocker technology, and you can connect to your PC remotely using the Remote Desktop app, which is available in the Windows Store from both devices. But the differences are the big thing to be aware of. So point number one, on the Windows RT devices, you will get Office Home and Student for free. So that's Word, Excel, PowerPoint and OneNote, all installed for free on those devices. You don't get that on a Windows 8 device. However, on a Windows 8 device, you do get Media Player. You can use legacy apps, so maybe XP or Windows 7 apps, and more importantly, you can domain join a Windows 8 device. And that's really, really important whether you're a school, university or a college. That's something you absolutely need to be aware of. Now that said, with Windows 8 and Windows RT, our hardware partners like Lenovo and HP and Dell are all deciding on which ones to produce devices for. So you'll see a range on both Windows RT and Windows 8. So here's just some examples, Sony and Acer, and some other devices that our partners have made. So when you're looking at these devices, it's important to ask yourself, first of all, is this an RT or is this a Windows 8 device? Because our partners will be making both. Now, one of the other big announcements that we made recently is that Microsoft will also be making a device, and that's called Surface. Now, you may have seen recently we advertised that the Surface RT is available. That starts at $399, and you can get that via the Microsoft Online Store. There's a Pro version coming in 2013 as well. But as with all devices, always ask yourself that question, is it an RT or is it a Pro device? So in terms of next steps and resources, have a look at the range of Windows 8 and RT devices available, and I'll put a link up to the Microsoft Store there. Have a look at Shape the Future and look out for a future blog post on that. But that's a really good cost-effective way of getting Windows 8 devices for your schools. Also, keep an eye out on Heads Up, and I'll be putting future device reviews and benefits of RT and Windows 8 in education, as well as app reviews, and then looking at how to actually use the devices as well. So that's it from me. That was my heads up on Windows 8, and I hope you found that useful.